Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to download and install GCam in Galaxy A14 device. So firstly guys, you have to go to the browser. And here write for GCam. So here we have the option of a latest GCam APK. Just tap here, scroll it down, tap to download now. Now after that guys, you scroll down and tap to Google Camera 9.4. So we have this window here. Just again scroll, and right now we are using a Samsung device, so tap on download for Samsung phones. After that again scroll, and we have all these, and we have all these version. So just install this 9.423. Just see the details here, and as you guys see, this is now start downloading. Okay, now after that just tap here and install the camera from here. Now click open. So here we have a Gcam here. Basically you can use this camera from here. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.